itself was non-ideal. Coming round, getting near them, nothing could change. Nevertheless, the process real. Falling on the weakest will, we still have today. Do we have time? Do we have time? We're surfing on the common streams of all that is vain, but we're still on the beam. There's a hole in the game. Sleeping so many part of the ground, while lonesome souls are burning around. It's happened again. Do we have to lay arms down? Let's face it, there's a panic at state. Every morning claims for the name of a dead. It's truly insane. All in all, is there one more tear? Let it grow in your bargain speech, expecting the clouds by the end of the week. Is there anything else? So we lack of new stories. Do we have time? Do we have time? Anyway. Do we have time? Day after day we all back to work, taking refuge in constant dreams of heaven.